Jagdish De Burma, Shivcharan De Burma, Ratish Tripura, the entire party, the senior leadership, Jyotish Jamatya, they all came and met me. Some other senior leaders there as well. और उन्होंने डिसीजन लिया है कि फ्यूचर में तिपरा एंड आईएनपीटी शुड बी वन सिंगल एंटिटी. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है क्योंकि आज से 6 महीने पहले त्रिपुरा में ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 9 पार्टीज था. आज मेजर पार्टीज में जहां तक मुझे लगता है there is only 1 or 2 parties left in the regional front. I will also like to thank चित्तू बाबू जिसने ये पूरा इनिशिएट किया था इनिशियली जब उन्होंने अपना पार्टी टीएसपी को त्रिपुरा को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया. बुद्धदेव वर्मा आईपीएफटी त्रिपुरा जिसने अपने खुद सैक्रिफाइस किया. यहाँ में टीयूआईपीसी का चेयरमैन है, एक्स चेयरमैन है, उन्होंने सैक्रिफाइस किया है. एंड वी बिकेम रंजीत देव वर्मा विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर थिंग. अनिमेश देव वर्मा इज हियर. हमारा सीएम द यंग एंड डायनामिक पूर्ण चंद्र जमतिया. Our senior loyal members like Sridham Dev Burma, we have Rabindra Dev Burma, हमारे EMs है भवरंजन रियांग, हमारे पास सोहेल देव वर्मा है, all the young EMs, गुरुपद देव वर्मा, कुबुति जमतिया. I want to thank everyone कि आज this is historic, indeed historic कि the oldest political party in Tripura has decided for the interest of the Tiprasa community, for the interest of our combined goal of Greater Tripura land, to come together and work as one single entity. The Tripura party, as a chairman, I have welcomed this step, and हम लोग आने वाले दिन में एक पार्टी होकर एक आवाज में अपने दफा के बारे, अपने स्टेट के बारे, अपने राज्य के बारे हम लोग एक आवाज में एक प्लेटफॉर्म से अलग अलग फ्लैग से नहीं, सिंगल फ्लैग से, सिंगल पार्टी से हम लोग आगे चलेंगे. 70 साल से हमको डिवाइड किया गया है अलग पार्टी के नाम में. सरनेम अलग हो तो उसमें डिवाइड किया गया है, अलग कम्युनिटी में डिवाइड किया गया है. लेकिन जो हमने पिछले 6 महीने में देखा है वो प्रूव करता है कि अगर हमने अपना ईगो को नहीं रखा, हमने अपना अहंकार को नहीं रखा और हमने कम्युनिटी के बारे में बात किया तो एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. आई सैल्यूट विजय रांखोल. विजय रांखोल और मेरा एक पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप है. आई हैव ऑलवेज लुक्ड अप टू विजय रांखोल. माय फादर न्यू विजय रांखोल. राजमाता नोज विजय रांखोल. जगदीश बाबू, आई वांट टू थैंक यू ऑल फॉर योर कमिटमेंट. इलेक्शन के टाइम बहुत लोग आए, बहुत लोग चले गए, but Vijay Rankhol's commitment towards me personally, Jagdish Babu's commitment, यहाँ में उमा शंकर है, his commitment, the other MDC from INPT, उनका commitment हमारे तरफ consistent रहा. To all the media, आप लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं, आप लोग क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि पॉलिटिशियंस लोग इलेक्शन के पहले हाथ मिलाते हैं, इलेक्शन खत्म होने के बाद भूल जाते हैं. ये शायद पहला अलायंस है, ये शायद पहले बार अलायंस हुआ है. अलायंस को छोड़कर हम लोग एक हुए हैं इलेक्शन के बाद. इसका मतलब एक ही है कि वी आर एक्सट्रीमली कमिटेड टू द कॉज ऑफ आवर पीपल एंड टू द कॉज ऑफ आवर स्टेट. दिस इज यूनिक because this is post poll alliance. When we is already an alliance, now there is a post poll unification and no party is big. आज त्रिपुरा का ज्यादा एमडीसीज हो सकता है लेकिन यहां में कोई पार्टी बड़ा नहीं है, कोई पार्टी छोटा नहीं है. वी आर ऑल टुगेदर, वी आर ऑल सेम, एंड एवरीवन इन दिस न्यू प्लेटफॉर्म पार्टी विल बी गिवन equal amount of representation and respect. ये मेरा guarantee है to every member of all the parties. I would hope that Vijay Rankhol also and Jagdish De Burma also put in some word of their own. Vijay Babu.
President report. Good morning, Punkaham, everyone. So today, a new day for us. I thank His Royalness Maharaj Pradut Kishore Manika, the chairman of Tipramotha, and my General Secretary, Honorable Chairman of TTADC, Mr. Jagadish Devarma, and all other functionaries of different regional political parties. We are together here. I also thank CM, EMs, and all the elected MDCs, print medias, everyone here, including our all functionaries of regional parties. So we kept on discussion, assuring each other with Maharaji also. We wanted pre, but one thing I spoke there, it can be better post poll also. One may win, one may lose, but our grievances come never end. Therefore, we being placed minority against our own will on our own soil, and it gives us more impression and strengthen us to disobey the arrogancy and other some instrument which want to divide us. Today, I feel very full of joy, and I find every face of the print media's friends also charming. Some may not be very happy, but everyone is very conducive to the issue. And you all want that the change of the state should come at the earliest possible. The first change had been brought under the leadership of our Maharaj Pradyut Kishore and all other functionaries of different regional parties. I do not remember all the names, but I know everyone, those who sacrificed their life. And today we would be happier if we could have some other elders and friends who began to fight for our existence in Tripura. Unfortunately, we miss them today. They are no more with us. Some are still there. They are unable to move from their seat, from their bed. And we're so happy that under the leadership of our Tipramotha chairman, Maharaj Pradyut Kishore, that the ADC has been attained. And we really fought for the ADC. Socially, we had been boycotted at the time of communist regime in our land. We could not use one well to draw drinking water. Our girl students were expelled from the school when they used to wear their own clothes. Our cockborough was not allowed to speak in any institution. We were beaten to forget our own mother tongue. We came across all these difficulties time and all these impediments we have to come across. Today, we can speak freely with any other citizens, and we feel proud today. And I wish this effort will continue, and our heart and mind and self-determination spirit, right, for the last 55 years, I've been struggling my whole life. Today, I would be the happiest man to see the younger generation coming up with their motive and sacrifice and accepting the truth. So today, I hope my old colleagues, senior colleagues, and our dynamic leaders, those who are running the administration of TTADC, will be newly inspired today also and work hard so that we can make our society free from corruption and we can also work for the needy people, those who really need, and we can fight our way. Many are impediments coming on our way of administration. We live peacefully. We live a life of freedom. We want to live a life of various various evil spirit, because everything is coming across our people also. Those who will have a lot of problems, they will be describing this or that. But we would like to make understand every individual, those who really think for the advancement of the society. It can be termed as the area TTADC, but we are equally concerned for the entire state, those who are economically weaker section. Weak is weak, poor is poor. Poor never described separately, either be it Mongolian, Aryan, Dravidian, or European. It's all the same. So we came from that background. We started our struggling life in years back, 1965, when many of you were not born, many of you were small boys or girls. But today, we're all grown up, and I'm happiest man at this age, touching almost 76, and still as a man. I don't claim myself to be a legend standing alone, but you are all my colleagues in your staff. And I wish you will today change your mindset so that you can be an instrument for the development, for the advancement of our society. Those who are trailing behind economically, educationally. So today, once again, I thank every individual leaders here from different regional parties, because I have very short memory to name all of them, but equally I'm grateful for all of you today. And I wish, I pray to God, so that God will bless each one of us, those who are really carrying the clean heart. We want to build our, our society building on the rock, not on the sand. If we build our house on the sand, it will break easily. So we want to build our society on the rock, very strong. The wind may not blow. Any kind of temptation may not break it away. So thank you so much. God bless all of you. Thank you so much.
There is a there is a press statement which is out, which we will distribute to all of you all, so that you all know that what is it that we stand for. As Vijay Babu has said, our foundation is based on solid grounds and not on sand, because we are firm to our commitment towards the state and our people and our eventual goal of Greater Tripura land. Let me remind all our media friends that it has not been very easy for all of us. We have worked very hard.